In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create image ads with ChatGPT in a fast, simple, and beginner-friendly way. This is a great method if you want to generate ad-style visuals for fashion, products, promotions, or social media content without needing complicated design software. You can use this workflow to create clean concept images, luxury-style promo shots, and attention-grabbing ad creatives in just a few minutes. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the plus icon in the message box. This is where you can add different types of input. Click on the plus icon and then use Control to select images if you want to include reference visuals. This step is useful because it helps ChatGPT understand the look, style, or product you want to base the ad on. If you already have an image of a dress, purse, outfit, or product, this is the perfect time to upload it. After that, go to the prompt box and type a clear command describing the ad you want to create. For example, you can type something like, fashion model wearing this dress and holding this purse, luxury brand shoot, and add text, be iconic, be you. The more specific you are, the better the result usually looks. You can mention the style, the mood, the background, the lighting, and even the exact text you want included in the image. If you want a premium look, use words like luxury, editorial, clean, modern, elegant, or high-end. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter and let ChatGPT generate the image. Usually, this process takes around 2 minutes, depending on the complexity of the request and the speed of the system. While it's creating the image, avoid clicking around too much and just let it finish. When the image is ready, review the result carefully. Check whether the clothing, product placement, background, and text all look the way you expected. If needed, you can always refine the prompt and generate a new version with more detail. For example, you could change the pose, improve the lighting, or adjust the ad copy to make it more suitable for your campaign. This is what makes ChatGPT so useful for image ads. You can quickly test multiple creative ideas without spending hours designing from scratch. It's especially helpful for marketers, business owners, content creators, and anyone who wants to create eye-catching visuals fast. You can use this process for product launches, fashion promotions, special offers, or branded social media posts. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to make professional-looking ad concepts in just a few prompts. So that's how to create image ads with ChatGPT using a simple prompt and image reference. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.